Pretty voices for my love, pretty flowers for her here, filled with colors so sublime, from garlands she can wear. But to they speak of love, do they say how much I care? Do they show my real emotion? Do they strip my feelings bare? Can they show a lively passion beating deep within my heart? Can they tell her with conviction that I am sure we will never part? Will they picture through my love? Will they make her feel complete? Will they tell her of their reasons why my heart keeps up its beat? If they can do this thing, descending to me is fine. Instant, I confess my deepest love for just for you, my Valentine. Will the picture through my love? Will they make her feel complete? Will they tell her all the reasons why my heart keeps up its beat? If they can do this thing, then sending them is fine. Instead, I confess my deepest love just for you, my Valentine. Do they speak of love? Do they say how much I care? Do they show my real emotions? Do they strip my feelings bare? Can they show a lovely passion beating deep within my heart? Can they tell here with conviction that I'm sure we will never part? Will the picture through my love? Will they make her feel complete? Will they tell her of the reasons why my heart keeps up its beat? If they can do these things, then sending them is fine. Instead, I confess my deepest love just for you, my Valentine.